I'm Jonathan Simmons. I'm the Vice President at Green Valley Manufacturing. We're located in Mount Zion, Illinois. We've got a 32,000 square foot manufacturing facility on about 11 acres. We manufacture a huge variety of products, from industrial workhorses to industrial transporters to AGVs, die carts and mold carts. We can do rail cars. We do build things for a variety of manufacturers, from people that make sunglasses to people that make airplanes. You can build anything from a 500-pound mold or die cart, up to a 300,000 or 400,000-pound rail transporter. So that gives us a very large range of capacity and a unique offering of solutions. We handle the entire process. We do all the engineering in-house. We bring in our raw steel. We do all the processing and machining. We build our own electrical control panels, handle our own programming, fabricate, paint the machines. So you get the whole process from the start to the end. We can come up with a custom solution for a variety of manufacturing problems. Our first encounter at Green Valley with the Illinois SBDC International Trade Center at Bradley, we were trying to go to more international trade shows, and we work with them to get registered. Our office manager works directly with them, as well as our logistics, any help that we need to be able to increase our international exposure. We're honored to receive the award for the International Exporter of the Year and very excited about it. And last year we received one of our largest export projects, and we want to thank you for all your help with that.